Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. Wow, look at here. We've got a surprise unpackaging from Slacker Stacker. Yes, indeed. And we are going to open this up and see what's inside of it. Very kind of him to send this along. Very well wrapped. It's like Christmas. It's like Christmas. And you know what? There might be a way. Look at that. I can cut into this and maybe preserve the integrity of the box. Let's see if we can try that. Let's see. I don't know. See we're going to unwrap this like it's a Christmas present. Oh, and look at there. It's McDonald's. He wrapped it in a McDonald's bag. Look at that. Very cool. Maybe it's some Mac coins. Look at that. All right. Mickey D's. Very cool. And let's see here. Quantity 60 pieces. So there's 60 pieces of whatever's in here. Very nice indeed. All right. Let's see what we have here from Slacker Stacker. All right. Down the knife goes on the very interesting. Ooh, look at that. Ah, yes. You know what? I was going to guess that it was going to be a Sal Gnome. And look at there. Look at that. All right. It's a Sal Gnome. Look at there. All right. Very cool. Thank you, sir. Look at that. Let me smell it. I've always wanted to smell a Sal Gnome. Wow. You know what it smells like? You know what it smells like? It smells like a beach shop at the beach, sort of, you know? That is awesome. Wow, look at that. Sal Gnome. How you doing? My name is Sal Gnome. I talk just slightly different than Sal. Yeah. Ooh, he's kind of he needs some coffee. He's bouncing all over the place. He's all over the place. Thank you, Slacker Stacker. Calm down. All right. Calm him down. All right. Very good. So there's that. And we have a note here with the official Slacker Stacker seal there. Look at that. Boom. It's pulsating. It's saying, read me. And I'm going to read this because it's pulsating, telling me to read him. So there we go. All right. Here we go. All right. Here. The official seal has been broken. Slacker Stacker. Sal, it says. Thank you for the interview that inspired Sal the Silver Gnome. I'm glad you found my little joke about the Gnome appearing all over the PM community funny. I'm also glad that you thought that the Silver Gnome pooping silver was funny as well. It sure was. That was pretty funny. It was hilarious. The package contains a Sal the Silver Gnome kit, 1 Silver Gnome, 1 round of silver to protect, and 1 silver poo. Whoa! That is awesome. In a video where you introduced the Fortitude version 2, you said your original version was to have them antiqued. However, that process would be too expensive for production. I therefore had one antiqued by losing Louis and included it in this kit. Whoa! Wow, well that is so kind of you, my friend. Man, I am just the Sal Gnome itself is Sal Gnome. I'm pronouncing the G just to be funny. But that's more than I could have ever asked for. Man, that is very nice of you. I wanted you to have an antique version so you could see and hold your envisioned version of this round. Yes, antiqued Fortitude round is something that I would have liked to have done and had inquired about it. But it was a very expensive process for them to do, sadly, because I wanted to do that was going to be the original plan for the round 2, pun intended. The kit just wouldn't be complete without the silver poo poured by Corndog 42. Wow, very kind of you, my friend. I hope you enjoy your Sal Silver Gnome and the pieces that came with him. I love your channel and live streams. You do so much for the PM's community. This is something I thought would be funny and wanted to do. Keep your feet in the stars and keep reaching for the ground. Take care, my friend. Slacker Stacker, signed by him and printed there. Very nice, very kind of indeed. I am humbled by your graciousness and your generosity. There's the Slacker Stacker card. Let me smell that. This smells terrific too. And Slacker Stacker stickers. And by the way, he might be getting one of these bars. He's got one poured on his channel. You should check it out and maybe doing those. So let's take a look here. Here is Slacker Stacker, the box. And we're going to carefully undo this tape. Well, I'm just going to cut it here to see what we've got here. Very cool. Wow. I am just blown away. This community is just great. It's amazing. I wish there was a way I could fully repay everyone. This is just amazing. Thank you so much, my friend. Let's see what the Sal Gnome says here. We got everything in a bag. Let's see. I think the Sal Gnome's getting excited. Yes, very, very excited here. First thing here is the silver poo. Look at that. Wow, that is so cool. Silver poo. All right. I think that's a corn dog creation there. Very, very nice indeed. Look at that. Let's smell this. Smells like patchouli. Nice. So Slacker Stacker. That's awesome. Little silver poo. All right. And next we have the Fortitude Round Antiqued. Look at that. Amazing. Wow. And in a capsule too. Wow. It looks awesome. Incredible. Very, very nice. Very kind of you, my friend. I will certainly treasure this. Wow. Very kind. It does look great. I wish I would have been able to do that. You don't have these in a manner as such. And this is, wow, this is the limited version, I believe. Let's see what number it is. I don't see the number. It is the limited series because it has a smooth edge. Oh, here it is. 18, I think it is. The glare. Yeah, it's 18. 18 in life. 18 and out the door it went. Or maybe it's 81. No, it's 18. Wow, very cool. Thank you again, Slacker Stacker. Very kind of you indeed. And here's Corn Dog's sticker, or certificate of authenticity, rather. Very cool. This piece was poured and cast in 925. Nice. Poop. Piece of 23 grams of poop. Watch out for gnome droppings. Yes, indeed. And this was antiqued by Losing Louie. So subscribe to both these channels, Corn Dog 42 and Losing Louie, and also subscribe to Slacker Stacker. Very kind of you, my friend. Very cool. Wonderful gifts. I would like to extend a multitude of gnomitude to you all. With the poop and everything else. This is not a crappy unboxing by any stretch, because it's just awesome. There's the poop. There's the limited Fortitude Antiqued. And yes, indeed, very kind of you, sir. I am overwhelmed by your kindness. So gracious. Thank you so much. A multitude of gratitude, y'all, for watching. And thanks again, Slacker Stacker. I will treasure the gnome, the Fortitude, and the poopy. Take care, all.